Okay, here we go. I'm making a custom birthday gift for Christina. She's got another photo in her hallway of her other cat. Wait. 1 second. Here's our new kitty, Sugar. Okay, anyways, what was I saying? It's got this heart border around it, or a mat actually. Everywhere I went, the wait time was like 4 weeks to get this custom heart border made. So I'm making it myself. I've got the heart here. This was hard. I had to measure it out right, make sure it's perfectly in the middle, then trace it. That's just like a foam heart that I saw that felt like the right size, and it's perfect. Cutting it now, trying to make it as smooth as possible. Tracing the line with the X-Acto knife. Cleaning up the edges. Using the other mat as a guide, that didn't work as well as just tracing the line I made. Picking out the right size. I think this ended up being 8x8. I had to print a couple just in case it was the wrong size. Others were way too small. The thing said 4x4, but that was with the mat, so it was actually a larger size. I think that was 6x6, maybe 8x8. Cleaning it up, getting all the dust out of it, all the little marks and smears. Doesn't fit. Okay, it's a little bubbly. Trimming up that white line. Perfect. Matching it up. Trimming up the mat. Let's see how it goes. Cleaning. Get rid of dust. Clean it. And there we go. Perfect fit. There's Sugar. There's the kitty. She's so little. Look at that cat. It's a baby. This is a birthday present for Kristina. Custom made job. See ya.